In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search the check register by name, number, or amount in QuickBooks Online. If you manage financial records often, this feature can save a lot of time and make your workflow much smoother. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly locate any transaction you need. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your browser, go to the QuickBooks Online login page, and click the Sign In button. Choose QuickBooks Online when prompted, then enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can access all your accounting tools. The next step is to head into the Transactions section. This is the main place where all your financial activity is stored and organized. On the left menu, click Transactions. This brings you into the central hub for reviewing, tracking, and managing your financial data. From here, find the chart of accounts. This is the full list of every account your business uses, such as checking accounts, credit cards, income accounts, expenses, and more. Click Chart of Accounts and scroll until you see the account you want to review. Once you locate it, click the View Register option. This opens a detailed register where every transaction for that account is listed. Now that you're inside the register, look to the left side of the screen and find the filter icon. This is one of the most useful tools in the register because it allows you to narrow down the list and find exactly what you're looking for. Click the filter icon, and inside the panel, you'll notice a field labeled Find. This field is where you enter your search details. You can type a vendor name or customer name, a reference number such as a check number, or even a specific dollar amount. This is extremely helpful when your register is filled with many entries and you want to jump straight to a particular transaction. After you type your search criteria, click Apply. QuickBooks will immediately filter the list and show only the transactions that match what you entered. This makes it easy to verify payments, check entries, confirm amounts, or double-check work from earlier in the month. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to search the check register in QuickBooks Online using a name, number, or amount. This simple feature can make your bookkeeping faster, cleaner, and a lot more efficient. Use it anytime you need to locate a transaction quickly without scrolling through a long list. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step QuickBooks guides.